Episode number 36. We are entering the flat. Today there are few major things which have been completed on site. What you see here, the loose slab, the curing of that is in process. The final top coat of the waterproofing of this area has been completed. Curing, what we are focusing on is currently the curing work for the plastering, which is like patch plaster, the entire loose plaster. So all these things I've already covered in my previous videos. Now in the living room, it is only a brickwork which was removed. If you remember in the last video, I've covered that the brickwork of this window is to be done, is to be removed. So we have successfully completed that today. The electrical conduting which was happening in the last video is completed for the common bathroom and the vanity area. So you can even see in the bathroom the entire conduting passage is now clear from top to bottom. It's all completed. I'll be discussing about the electrical layout of this bathroom very soon, because as discussed in the last two videos, I'd already mentioned that we'll be starting the tiling work. So yes, before that I'll be covering the electrical. Here in the master bedroom's balcony, the top coat of the waterproofing is completed. In this bathroom, yesterday we were focusing on the niche. So the niche followed by the brickwork and plastering has been completed. So summing it up, the work which was completed today is majorly the waterproofing work in the kitchen area and in the master balcony. Curing of the slab in the common bedroom is what we are focusing now. Apart from this curing, the slab is all completely cleaned. So this process on site is called as ghadai. Ghadai is removal of the loose patches of the previous flooring, that is like we remove it extensively. So that has been completed. Well guys, thank you so much for watching the entire video. Do like, comment and share. Thank you. Stay tuned. Bye.